friends, my name is Kumudin Aneshwar Baba. Today I am going to tell you animals. Okay, there are three types of animals habitat. Now there are three things I will tell you now. First is carnivorous. Carnivorous means animals who eat plants, grass and leaves is the carnivorous. Examples are goat and cow. Okay, etc. Now we will take next. It is carnivorous. Carnivorous means animals who eat flesh of other animals is called carnivorous. Example, lion and tiger, etc. Next we will take last one, omnivorous. Omnivorous means animals who eat both. Both means plants and flesh of other animals is called omnivorous. Now examples, peacock and pig, etc. Bye friends. If you like my channel, like and subscribe. Bye.